Australia, the UK, and the US have announced a new trilateral security partnership called the AUKUS. With this agreement, Australia becomes the seventh country in the world to acquire nuclear-powered submarines. Australia had earlier made a deal worth $37 billion with France to procure diesel-electric submarines. They have now scrapped this deal in favor of nuclear-powered submarines. This has turned global attention on nuclear submarines as more countries are now looking to harness the naval power that comes with nuke subs. Here's a look at everything you need to know about nuclear submarines and what makes them so special. A nuclear submarine is powered by a nuclear reactor, but it is not a nuclear weapon in itself. A submarine which is not nuclear powered will have to resurface once in a few weeks or months as it requires a steady supply of oxygen to burn fuel. But nuclear powered submarines can be deployed for a really long time and need not resurface for fueling purposes. It runs on steam generated by an onboard nuclear reactor fueled with uranium. The lack of need to refuel or surface can make it move faster and remain submerged for years, limiting their detection. They are equipped to attack enemy surface ships and destroy enemy submarines. The nuke subs can also strike enemy installations on land. On the flip side, they are larger and require more expensive infrastructure and maintenance. Both diesel-electric and nuclear-powered submarines can carry nuclear warheads. But here's how they differ. Nuclear-powered submarines can be put into three categories: the nuclear-powered fast attack submarines or SSNs, the nuclear-powered ballistic submarines or SSBNs, and the nuclear-powered cruise missile submarines or SSGNs. SSN submarines are general-purpose attack submarines used to hit particular targets on land by launching fast missiles through torpedo tubes. It is also used to conduct surveillance and intelligence missions. SSBNs are designed to launch ballistic missiles and carry out attacks. It can carry a maximum of 20 missiles. SSGN submarines are designed to carry out unprecedented strike and special operation missions. It is armed with tactical cruise missiles and equipped with superior communications capabilities. The International Institute of Strategic Studies, headquartered in London, deals with shaping strategic agenda for governments around the world. According to the Institute's data, about 42 countries in the world currently own a total of about 485 submarines. Of these, only 6 countries have nuclear-powered submarines. The US leads the list with a total of 68 nuclear submarines, followed by Russia with 29, China with 12, UK with 11, France with 8 and India with 1. SSNs were the first ever nuclear-powered submarines made by the US in 1954. SSGNs were first launched by Soviet in the late 1960s, while SSBNs were first made in the US in 1982. India entered the submarine race in the late 1980s with INS Chakra, which was a fast attack submarine initially given to India on a 3-year lease by the Soviet Union in 1988. The Indian Navy currently has 15 conventional submarines, which include 8 Russian Kilo Class 1s, 4 German HTWs, and 3 Scorpions. INS Arihant is India's first and only nuclear-powered submarine. It is a nuclear-powered ballistic submarine that was launched by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in 2009. It was built indigenously, costing about $2.9 million. It is capable of firing ballistic missiles comprising a nuclear triad encompassing land, air and sea. A commission is underway and India will see 6 additional nuclear-powered submarines launched in the near future. The SSBN Arigat is currently in advanced stages of sea trials and is expected to be commissioned next year. Recent developments in the Indo-Pacific region have made it necessary for India to accelerate its submarine program. A Federal Report.